Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey beautiful souls, today is all about the official kit reveal for the hashtag Trio of Treasures 2025 challenge. I'll be showing you the full printable kit, add-on, and a preview of what you'll need to jump in to the challenge starting June 17th. Plus, you'll get a look at the Cascading Pocket Mini journal base I built using the kit. I was inspired by Corey Dahman's envelope style. This build adds a folded museful twist. Let's get to it. Here's a peek at the Folio finish base. It's layered, ready to add all sorts of journaling, and yes, it came together super fast. I played around, as I said, with my scraps of paper and was inspired by Corey Dahman. And next, I'll show you how I scored so that you can follow along. You're going to need a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. Cut it at 9 inches by 10.5 inches. Now I'm going to slow it down just a little bit so that the dimensions are helpful. You're going to score on the 10.5 inch side at 3.5 inches, then at 7. Now on the 9 inch side, you're going to score at 4.5 inches, then at 6.5 inches, then at 8.5 inches. Now you're going to score all your different folds. You're going to start at the bottom of the 9 inch. You're going to fold it up to the 8.5 inch, just like so. I'm going to take your 8.5 inch and you're going to fold it up to the 6.5 inch. And you can, if you want to, it's totally up to you, glue the sides, but I'm showing you here that it's easier for me, and again, it's up to you. Here I'm showing you how you're going to fold the 8.5 inch up to the 6.5 inch, and you'll see the basic fold, and that's how easy it is to put this together. Next, you'll see a sneak peek of a collector kit and Museful Maker Tier members. Check your folder. I'm super excited about what will begin next Tuesday, this fun collaboration with two wonderful friends who are super creative, and it's been a joy getting to know one another through this wonderful community. Kiki at Near Designs 3 and Sonia at Artsy Solutions, and we're all going to add our flavor, if you will, during the Trio of Treasures challenge, and I hope that you will join us and participate. Gracias por estar aquí, corazones creativos. Nos vemos el 17 de junio para comenzar este hermoso reto. Estoy muy emocionada por lo que vamos a crear juntas. And here are some sneak peeks at some things I've been working on behind the scene, and I cannot wait to share more with you. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you next week.